Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to print from Canva using this flyer for a Christmas Eve party. So we're just going to print it out. So if you open up Canva, unfortunately you're not going to find an option that like directly allows you to print from Canva. So if you open up the share, for example, you're not going to find an option that says print, for example. So if I even click on see all, there's no print option. So what I can do is just click on download and then make sure in the file type that PDF print is selected. Then download the file. And then after the file is downloaded, I'm gonna print from the actual file that's downloaded. I can't really print from Canva itself. So I'm just gonna open up the file and then click on Command P. And this will start out the printing process. So I'll just choose the printer and the number of copies and the pages and everything and just click on print. And yep, this is how easy it is to print from Canva. Hope that video is helpful.